Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm here and I'm going to show you how to speed up your PC in 5 easy steps. So, I don't want to use up too much of your time. It'll be pretty quick. So let's go ahead and start. First thing to do is let me pull this box out of the way. All right, so go down here to your Windows button. Click on that. And I want you to type in Edit, E-D-I-T. And then from there it says Edit Power Plan. So we're going to change the power plan. So click into it. Go into Change Advanced Power Settings. I don't know if you see it right there. Right in the middle. Click on that. It says balance. We don't want balance. We actually want high performance. So drop the drop down list to high performance. There we go. High performance. Hit OK or apply, depending on your PC. That part's done. You just increase it to high performance. Next, go back to the Windows button, click that button. Now this time I want you to type in Task Manager, TASK, and then generally you would fill it in. It's going to fill in automatically, Task Manager. We're going to go in here and we're going to stop the startup programs from running in the background. So on the top tabs, there's one that says Startup. Click on this one that says Startup. In here, your boxes or your programs that are running will be different than mine. But what we're going to do is I'm going to disable all of these. I don't need them running in the background. If I want that program, I just go turn it on. I don't need it running almost like a prefetch. So let's go ahead and disable all of these. Disabled, 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 disabled. All right, so that's done. Those programs are now disabled and won't start when your computer reboots. Hit X because you're finished with that section. Go back down to the Windows button again. Click on that. And this time, type in parentheses, temp, parentheses. So it is temp, parentheses right there. This goes into the local user's file folder for temporary files. And what we're going to do is we're going to delete those temporary files because we don't need them. They're just temporary. They've already been used. Windows is done with them, but Windows doesn't do a great job of clearing this out. So we're going to do it manually. This is a new PC here, so this it looks awfully small, but yours may be quite large. So just go ahead and highlight everything you can, and then hit delete. Some stuff won't be deleted. Don't worry about it. Just skip it. It's fine. Okay, you may not be able to get everything out, but we're trying to clean the majority of it, like 90% of it. That's it for the temp file. Let's move on to the next step. All right, again, go back to the Windows button down here at the bottom. Click on that, and this time I want you to start typing in Advanced, A-D-V-A-N-C-E-D, there goes Advanced System Settings. I don't know if you see that there, Advanced System Settings. So go ahead and click on that. Now, in this box, what we're going to do is you have 5 tabs across the top. Go to the Advanced tab, right here in the middle. Go to under Performance. You have a box right here called Settings. We're going to click on that Settings. This Settings has to do with Windows appearance. Windows is trying to give you the best appearance, not the best performance. So we're going to change that. So I want you to click the button that says Best Performance. Click on that. We're not done yet. We've got 3 little boxes to check. So go down till you see where it says Show Thumbnails instead of Icons. I want you to click that box and then keep going. I want you to click Smooth Edges Screen Fonts right there. And then one more below it, Smooth Scroll List Box. Those 3 check boxes will give you basically the experience you're used to with Windows 10. If you don't check those boxes, it's going to feel a little funny. You can try without it, but you may not like it. So you can always go check the boxes if you want to go back to it. You're going to click Apply, and then we're done. Hit OK, and hit OK. All right, next step. Go back to the Windows button again. This is the last step. This time I want you to type in Services. And when you type it in, you're going to get, it looks like a little gear next to it, and it's Services. We're going to click on the Services. You're going to get a long list, or open it up and you'll get a long list. What we're going to go down to is Windows Search. So let's scroll all the way down. It's here somewhere. It's quite a few. And I'm going to look under, there it is, Windows Search. So we're going to double click this. We're going to hit Stop. It's going to stop the Windows search. It's an indexing program that Windows uses to help you search things faster. But if you're not searching for things, then it's just doing it for no reason. I just put on disabled. I don't even have it running anymore in the background. And that's it. You're going to hit apply, hit OK, and that's it. Simple. 5 steps. Make your Windows run a lot faster. It's a much easier thing to do, and it really helps you have a PC that runs better. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me see here. I'm going to put this on. Please subscribe right there. Please subscribe. I like to make videos. I enjoy making videos. But if you have any ideas, please send them my way, because sometimes it's easier if you ask me for something to be done. If you don't know, how do you do this or how do you do that, I might know it already. So shoot me a quick message. I like to make these videos. They're fun. And anyways, well, I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day. All right. See you.